ang carrot sound, guys, C-A-R-E-T, it's, carrot. So, ang carrot po, yan, carrot sound. So, si carrot, guys, is the, sound, Ayaw umungol. Ha? Ito naman guys, ang shua sound. Shua. This is the lazy sound. So yung tamad na sound, ang tawag dyan guys ay ups. Wait lang. Ito po, ito yung parang inverted na V. It's up. Say, mud. Cut. Bump. Sun. Rug. Ito guys, is yung sound. Guys, say, ayun yung word. Ito na word. Ito yung lumabas na word example.